Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Outlook sync issues. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So these are some few tips on how you can solve the problem. So step number one is you can use an alternate email address. So if you set up an alternate email address when creating your Outlook account, you can use it to receive a verification code. And now you can go to Microsoft account recovery page and enter your blocked email address. Choose the option to send the code to your alternate email. Now follow the instructions to enter the code and unlock your account. Number two is you can answer security questions. If you set up security questions, you may be prompted to answer them to verify your identity. So visit the account recovery page and follow the prompts for verifying your identity using security questions. Now for step 3, use the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed and linked to your account, you can use it to verify your identity. You can open the app, select your account, and approve the sign-in request. Step number 4 is to fill out the account recovery form. If you don't have access to your phone number or alternate email, you can fill out a Microsoft account recovery form. Provide as much as information as possible about your account, including previous passwords when you created the account and any other details that can help them prove your identity. Microsoft will review your submission, and if they can verify your identity, they will help you regain access. Step number 5 is to contact Microsoft support. If none of the above options work, you may need to contact Microsoft support directly. So visit the Microsoft support page and choose the option to chat with a support agent or request a callback. And that is all, guys. These are the steps or the ways that you can do to regain access to your account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!